Alright guys, we're taking lazy to a whole new level by using the Dremel Versa to try and clean this dirty toilet. Let's get started here. We're going to use the scrubbing brush. It looks like the closest thing to a toilet brush. I got it charged up. Alright, the brush didn't do too bad. It knocked off a lot of the heavy stuff here. We're going to switch now to the polishing, or I guess abrasive pad. Not. Alright, so it looks like it's not going to get any cleaner than that with the Dremel Versa. But when you're a lazy bachelor like me, it's definitely easier than cleaning the toilet the old school way with a brush. And, you know, it could have better results maybe if I used some kind of detergent or something. But anyway, I guess I can't use this for anything else now. It's been in the toilet, so I got to buy another one, I guess, if I want to clean anything else around the house. But questions, comments, leave them in the comments. I'm going to be mean, at least be funny. And we'll talk to everybody later.